If you're looking for a versatile and sturdy TV stand that can accommodate a wide range of TV sizes, the Fivercom Mobile TV Cart is an excellent choice. This portable TV floor stand is designed to fit most 32 to 65-inch plasma, LCD, LED, and OLED flat panel or curved screen TVs, with a mounting bracket that supports up to 110 pounds. The stand offers VESA compatibility between 100 by 100 millimeters and 600 by 400 millimeters, ensuring it can meet your diverse needs, whether it's for your office, school, home, hotel, or shopping center point. One of the standout features of this TV cart is its locking wheels. These wheels make moving the stand incredibly easy while also providing security with the locking mechanism. You can effortlessly roll this TV stand in and out of spaces, which is perfect for minimizing floor space and creating more room in your home or office environment. The Fivercom Mobile TV Cart also boasts impressive height adjustability and swivel capabilities. With 6 levels of vertical height adjustments ranging from 46-inch to 58, you can always ensure your TV is at eye level for optimal viewing. Additionally, the stand allows for 30 degrees of swivel in each direction, enabling you to watch TV from any seat in the room. This flexibility enhances your home theater experience, making it more enjoyable for everyone. In terms of storage, this TV stand features 2 black height-adjustable metal shelves and a sturdy wood base. These shelves can hold your DVD players, DVRs, HD recorders, cable TV boxes, AV components, gaming systems, and other media essentials, with each metal shelf having a weight capacity of 11 pounds. You can choose to use these shelves based on your space needs, providing a customizable setup for your media equipment. Assembly is a breeze with the Fivercom Mobile TV Cart. The package includes an easy-to-follow manual that guides you through the installation process, and all necessary accessories are provided for a convenient setup. Should you encounter any issues, the friendly customer support team is ready to assist you, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. Overall, the Fivercom Mobile TV Cart portable TV floor stand offers a perfect blend of durability, flexibility, and convenience. Its robust design, adjustable features, and ample storage options make it a fantastic addition to any space, catering to a wide range of viewing needs and preferences.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.